How to change general layout in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely change the layout of your gameplay. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in this settings interface. Here on the left hand side, there are different options available. Simply tap on layout, and here we are in this layout settings. Here on the top, you can see layout, and basically here there are three different layouts: left hand mode, right hand mode, or you can customize it however you like. So it's according to the player preference how they want to play. So some are left handed and some are right handed, so you can even customize it and adjust the buttons and adjust the whole layout to your preference. At last, you can simply go back and you'll be saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.